In the past, we've always had like an open house, meet and greet, so they have a chance to bring supplies, meet their teacher. How's that gonna look this
We're
year?
gonna have an open house. It's gonna happen. Again, we just met yesterday with the CTA, the Teachers Union, and we talked to the administrators. It can't be the cattle call that it normally is, right?
Right.
It's not gonna be everybody show up. We can't do that. It's gonna be a little staggered, probably by grade level, and then, parents, we're gonna limit, kind of similar to graduation, so we don't want the whole family coming in, but certainly
Yeah.
the parents can come in with their child, get the stuff, meet the teacher.
Wear a mask.
Wear a mask, gonna have to wear a mask, it'll be
Yes.
under governor's order, but we will have open houses. It'll look a little different, but we are gonna have, because it's important for the kids to come in and see the teacher, and see where their desk is, and put their stuff in. High school kids, just to walk, I know they're too cool for school, but we
Yeah.
know where your locker is, walk the building. We will have that done, but yeah, you have to be following proper protocol, but it won't be everybody at once, and we're gonna ask parents to please, just only the essential people that can come.
Okay.
That's what we'll do.
And we'll get information via email.
It's
or something.
coming. It's,
Okay.
like I said, we just met yesterday to kind of solidify those plans.